Alright, I am in the town of Frisco, Colorado, and this is their local historical museum. And it's a series of small houses, like a little village. This is pretty cool. It's a Model A engine and transmission turned into a saw for a sawmill. That's pretty clever. And they just have a collection of little buildings here. I really enjoy these old-timey little tins. The old packaging. And check out that tub. It says that's a hydrogenated vegetable oils shortening, 110-pound tub. Let's go upstairs here. Oh, check out these old newspapers. Man, those stairs are steep. I guess it was common to use newspaper as like a wallpaper back in the day. Old Sears catalog.
The overtrapping of beaver for making felt hats and the change to making hats with silk kept most mountain men from returning to the area around the 1840s.
Old schoolhouse looking thing. Well, that's nice. Some more old-timey household stuff. I love these old stoves. Check out how tiny this bathtub is. I mean, man, that is tiny. Old barber's chair. Old-timey bar stuff. The pie safe. You gotta keep them pies safe, for sure. I very much enjoy these recreated little cabins. They're very inviting. Very, very nice. Let's see if you can see over that. There's like a major glare going on in here. Alright, let's see, is there anything else here? It's a nice little downtown. There's not... It's kind of crowded though, like there's a lot more tourists here than I thought for a weekday. Excuse me.
I like the music that they had to that. I used to sing this. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, and they also learn stuff.
Those are old skates down there. Oh, those are old skates. There's ice skates in there. Kevin, across there.
Oh, that's sweet.
That tiny post office. Alright, I'm not sure what the point of that is.
She took their picture in jail. Is that where the interstate is today?
Look up what that says.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I saw that.
Dang, it's getting crowded in there. Wow, check out that old-timey couch. That's very old. I'm glad we have better beds nowadays. These don't look very comfortable at all. Well, it's starting to rain, and I think that about does it. So this is Frisco, Colorado.